you've been on my channel before, you know how badly I've been needing a dust mask. You see videos of me all the time breathing in all this dust and making funny faces while doing so. Well, I finally got a dust mask here by Basecamp. This one here in particular is a lightweight dust mask with the Velcro backing and some ear loops here, so it stays on your face even when you're talking, and it has some carbon filters on here too. It's just absolutely incredible. Plus the mesh design looks pretty cool. It's easy to breathe in, and now I've been knocking out a lot of projects like painting and cleaning out this investment property basement, which was just swarmed with dust and dead rats. So I'm so glad I got one of these. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm gonna take it off, but guys, I definitely recommend these. Check them out. I have links to them down in the description below. So you really can't see marks on my face or anything after I take it off. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, I'm telling you guys. And this is a shout out to Poor Man's DIY YouTube channel. Check him out by clicking the link somewhere up here in the corner. He's actually been encouraging me over the past year to get some kind of mask, get some kind of eyeglasses and ear protection, all that stuff. So shout out to you, Mr. and Mrs. Poor Man. Thanks. So I just turned 30 and I have 2 beautiful children, and I'm building all of these investment properties so we can all live just this great adventure of a life. And so it's really time to start thinking about these kinds of things. Guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and deck yourself out with some of your proper gear so you stay safe and you can live a long, healthy life as well. This is Kelly Concepts. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.